affected, and over time, sleep loss leads to immune suppression and increased...
Huh? Oh, you saw him again? When? Oh, okay. I know.
In other words...
Huh? Huh? Oh.
In other words, much as the functioning of a person who is sleep-deprived declines, their white blood cells are similarly affected, and over time, sleep loss leads to immune suppression and increased inflammation. The goal is to break this cycle and get our chronobiology back and our sleep-wake cycle into sync so that our bodies do what they do best, which is to generate health and wellness. I think it's most useful to reframe how we view sleep and to see it as a vital, health-promoting activity rather than a passive timeout.
Are you serious?
Without sleep,
And then he kept
we become
on going.
low-functioning, miserable, and sick. I'd like to see us begin to value sleep the way we do athletic, academic, or work success,
This man
and
that
put
ran
that much
into
thought
me,
and
and then he
consideration
kept
into
on
it.
going.
Once you make sleeping well a high priority...
Oh my God. You know what? I need to see if I can back up and see what's my car. Oh my God. Okay. You know what? This is bull. I know this man just hit me. I'm gonna call the police. I gotta call the police. What? I gotta get this. I know I got it on my camera. Great. I just got it too.